Hello cubers, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to finger trick the AA PLL. So the AA permutation looks like this. You have the three and then the headlights in the back facing away from you with the bar on the left. So for this algorithm it requires an X rotation, the way I use it. So I'll put the alg on the screen. And if you do not know the algorithm, either follow along or I have a video with the 21 PLL algorithms. Be sure to check that one out. So to start off, you recognize it, you see the headlights, and you immediately rotate while I keep my thumb on the top. Like I normally would grip the right side. I just leave it there and instantly go into the R prime. So then I have my index finger on this, so I do the U, and then I rotate down, and then I use my pinky and my ring finger to do the D2, so pinky, ring, pinky, ring, pinky, ring. So D2, and then I still have my right hand here, so R, U prime, R prime, and then I do the D2 move again, and then R2, and that's it. So I will do it one more time, so you recognize it, you see the headlights in the back, so then you go right into the rotation, R prime, U, R prime, and you do the D2, R, U prime, R prime, and then the D2, R2. And then if you have the case where it is not oriented correctly, if you have an AUF move at the end, what you can do is, once you do the algorithm, I keep my right hand right where it is, and I rotate this left side, so I still have my right finger, index finger, on the back, so I can just do the U or U2, or you just do the U prime move with your left. Alright, so that is how you finger trick the AA perm like a pro. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to let me know down in the comments. Be sure to check out my other videos. I have other videos on how to finger trick the other PLLs. And as always, have a good day.